The world of technology is no stranger to disruption. New ideas constantly emerge, challenging established norms. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a young contender from China, DeepSeek, is making waves. This startup has entered the AI arena with a bang. Its arrival is shaking up the industry, sending ripples felt by even the most established giants. DeepSeek is not just another AI company, it's a force to be reckoned with. DeepSeek's impact is undeniable. With its innovative approach and focus on accessibility, it's changing the game. The company is making advanced AI technology available to a wider audience. This is in stark contrast to the exclusive domain of a few powerful tech giants. DeepSeek's emergence signals a shift in the balance of power. The AI landscape will never be the same. The future of this technology is now more exciting and unpredictable than ever before. DeepSeek's success stems from its smart strategy. The company has identified key areas to target. One of these areas is cost effectiveness. DeepSeek has managed to develop its AI technology at a fraction of the cost of its competitors. This allows them to offer their services at much more affordable prices. This approach has resonated with businesses, particularly in emerging markets. They are eager to leverage the power of AI without breaking the bank. Another winning aspect of DeepSeek is its focus on localization. The company understands that AI needs to be tailored to specific cultures and languages to be truly effective. DeepSeek has prioritized making its technology relevant to the Chinese market. This includes integrating seamlessly with popular Chinese platforms like Taobao and WeChat. This localized approach has given DeepSeek a significant advantage in a market that is rapidly embracing AI. The rise of DeepSeek has not gone unnoticed by the established players in the AI field. Companies like OpenAI, known for their groundbreaking work on ChatGPT, are feeling the pressure. DeepSeek's competitive pricing and focus on specific markets pose a direct challenge to these giants. OpenAI has reportedly experienced a decline in market share since DeepSeek's arrival. This is a clear indication that the AI landscape is shifting. The impact of DeepSeek extends beyond just market share. Its presence is forcing established companies to rethink their strategies. To stay competitive, they need to find ways to become more cost-effective and cater to a wider range of languages and cultures. This competition is ultimately a good thing for the advancement of AI. It drives innovation and leads to the development of more sophisticated and accessible technologies. The story of DeepSeek is just one example of the transformative power of AI. As this technology continues to evolve, it holds the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Imagine a world where AI personalizes education, provides real-time language translation, and even helps us combat climate change. The possibilities are truly limitless. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we venture further into the age of AI, we must proceed with caution. It's crucial to address ethical concerns, ensure data privacy, and prevent the misuse of this powerful technology. The future of AI depends on our ability to harness its potential while mitigating its risks. By embracing a collaborative and responsible approach, we can shape an AI-powered future that benefits all of humanity.